Hey guys, in this video today we are going to go over how to fix your lower back and hip pain, okay? I'm going to show you one specific exercise that you can try. First, we're going to try on the side of complaint that you're feeling it, and if that doesn't work for you, try the other side, because sometimes we just need to turn that opposite side on to get the side that's painful to turn off, and you'll feel some relief. My name is Dawne. I work at Performance Place Sports Care. I am just one part of the locally world-famous chiropractors here in Orange County, California. And we have a whole YouTube channel that you guys can click on. There's a little P around the video somewhere that'll take you to our channel where you can like, subscribe, and use the search bar. Type in low back pain, type in low back exercises, hip pain exercises, educational videos on what might be causing it. We have made so many videos and resources for you guys to take advantage of. So please check out our channel. I think that we have a lot of stuff that might help you, okay? So what we're gonna get into today is something that we call either the diagonal sit or the accordion for the specific side of complaint that you're having, okay? So if you're having sort of low back pain on one side and it kind of maybe radiates into the glute or around the hip on the side here, that's what we're gonna focus on today, okay? So let's actually start on the side of complaint and see if this works for you. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get down on the floor and we're gonna put painful side down, okay? So I'm here. And what I want you to do is bring your knees to about 90 degrees here and up onto your elbow like this. First step, pretend there's a cactus between you and the floor here. Get away from it, okay? Second step is I'm gonna take my hand, I'm gonna reach towards you guys, okay? I'm actually gonna come a little bit more this way. I'm gonna reach towards you. Reach, 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 reach. From here, what I feel is some pressure on this knee on the bottom here, okay? So I'm gonna reach forward until I feel that pressure in that right knee. Once I feel that, press hard into it, like somebody's trying to take a piece of paper out from underneath that knee there. Pressing hard, 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 hard. Hold, breathe. I feel that right glute turn on and relax, okay? Again, reaching towards the camera here. I feel that pressure in my knee. Hold, breathe, press, press more, 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 and I come up, okay? Slowly go back to starting position. Keeping that pressure in that knee, sitting back and relax. Reach forward, press, 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 come up, okay? Reverse, keep reaching forward, keep that pressure in the knee, sit back and lower, okay? I'm gonna do this until I can't do it anymore. So for purpose of the time in the video, I want you guys to pause this and keep trying it until your glute on that side feels like you have a pump. What I mean by a pump is, say you go to the gym and do a bunch of bicep curls and it feels like you got a bunch of blood in your bicep and it feels really big. I want you guys to do that in that glute on that side. Then get up and retest and see how it feels for your back and your hip pain. If it didn't do anything for you, or if maybe you think maybe you can get some more results out of it, try the other side. Sometimes what happens is this side hurts so much because we've been getting away from something else on this side. We've been compensating. So let's turn that opposite side on, same exact way that I just took you through, just switch and see what it does for you. If that works for you guys, please leave a comment below. We would love to hear it, and take into consideration that this video here is just one part to a whole video series we're doing on how to help fix your low back pain. So stick around and check out those other videos. It may pop up on the video here on the next video to check out, or just go to our channel and search and try to find those, okay? Another thing too is we always get emails of, hey guys, I saw your video. The thing that you went over really, really worked for us. We wanna know what to do next. We have a free gift for you guys. That free gift may pop up on the video somewhere. You can click on that link, or it might be in the description below, but it's a link that says free gift. It's something for you guys to take advantage of. It is the next step on what to do if this worked for your low back pain, okay? So if you guys are tired of trying to figure it out on your own, if you want to know what the next step is, please, please, please take advantage of that. I really think it's going to help you guys, okay? If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, leave a comment below, call us. We are seeing people virtually. We're also seeing people in person. We have tons of online programs, tons of resources for you guys to take advantage of. So reach out to us. We'd love to help you, and talk to you soon.